It's our third day in Seoul and we're going to the Changgyeonggong Palace, and honestly, mas nag-enjoy ako dito compared sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. Let me explain. Charis. The palace has some of the most well-preserved royal living quarters in Korea. In fact, we were even allowed to enter some of the palace quarters, and since this is an Asian household, syempre, shoes off tayo. And did you know that there's a greenhouse garden inside the palace? The glass house was built during the early 1900s, making it one of the first Western-style greenhouses in Korea. And look, there's fishes inside too. Here, you can visit the Cheondangji Pond, which literally means heavenly pond. It's so peaceful and relaxing. This was once only reserved for kings and royalties, but now everyone is welcome. The palace is connected to Changgyeokgung Palace, which means you can actually walk between the two without leaving the palace grounds. That's two palaces in one go. Sadly, the Changgyeokgung Palace was closed during our visit. Better luck next time. The palace grounds is a bit hilly, so you also get elevated views of the quarters from higher ground. Kita din dito ang Ensol Tower. Be sure to wear comfy shoes because it's such a large place to explore. Also, there are stray cats in the area and they look healthy and unbothered, so tingin ko inaalagaan naman sila. We tried calling them, but I guess that only works for Pinoy cats. The entrance fee is only 1,000 Korean won or just 41 pesos. But like in Gyeongbokgung Palace, it's free if you're wearing a hanbok. How I wish I rented a hanbok when I visited because it's way less crowded here. I mean, tingnan nyo naman, halos solo namin yung lugar. Probably because we were here on a Monday, most likely dahil malayo siya sa mga hanbok rental shops. During our visit, less than 50 people lang ata kami sa palace. You're free to take photos and videos unbothered. You can also watch my video about the Gyeongbokgung Palace in my profile so you can compare and see the difference. For your future travels, you can use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. Like and follow for more. Okay, thanks, bye!